In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an arrow in Google Docs. Arrows are really useful when you want to point something out clearly in a document, like highlighting a key idea, showing direction in a process, or labeling parts of an image. In Google Docs, there are a few simple ways to add arrows, and once you know where to find them, it becomes very quick and easy. First, make sure you have your document open in Google Docs. Click your cursor where you want the arrow to appear. This helps Google Docs know exactly where to place what you add next. One of the most common ways to insert an arrow is through the Insert menu. Go up to the menu bar at the top of the screen and click on Insert. From the drop-down, look for the option called Drawing, and then choose New. This opens the drawing window, which lets you create shapes, lines, and arrows that you can place into your document. Inside the drawing window, look for the Line tool in the toolbar. When you click the little arrow next to it, you'll see different line types, including arrow. Select Arrow from this list. Now, click and drag your mouse across the drawing canvas to draw your arrow. You can adjust the length and direction by dragging the ends. You can also customize how your arrow looks. Use the toolbar options in the drawing window to change the line color, thickness, and style. For example, you might choose a bold, dark arrow for emphasis, or a thinner one if you just want something subtle. When you're happy with the way your arrow looks, click the Save and Close button. The arrow will now appear directly in your document as an image. If you need to move or resize it, just click on the arrow in your document. Drag it to a new location, or use the small blue squares around it to adjust its size. If you want to edit the arrow again, double-click it to reopen the drawing window. Another quick method, especially if you need a simple arrow within text, is to use arrow symbols from the Insert menu. Place your cursor in the text, click Insert, then Special Characters. In the search box, type Arrow. You'll see a variety of arrow symbols you can click to insert directly into your text line. And that's it. By using either the Drawing tool or Special Characters, you can easily insert arrows into your Google Docs to make your content clearer and more visually organized.